What's up, guys? Back in the woods, fall day. It's Thanksgiving here tomorrow. If you guys celebrate it, hope you have a great Thanksgiving. LCX, I've been getting a lot of comments, and trust me, I'm very well aware of it. It 2x'd in a matter of 24 hours. We were talking about this on my Discord and Patreon. A lot of people sold LCX when it was at 4 cents. I can't even tell you guys how many people in the comments, and even some on my Discord that, left the server a while back. They were holding LCX and they sold it. A lot of people tend to lose conviction in plays based on short-term price action. It happens a lot, more often than you think, right? A lot of people look at crypto with a nearsighted lens. And this is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. And that is what I tried to teach my members over on the Discord. We had some that weathered the storm. They asked me questions and I gave them my honest feedback, right? LCX, all the way from 2 years ago, since I've been first buying it, I have said it was a buy and hold investment for me. And I gave my reasons for being so: a centralized exchange, connections in the World Economic Forum, good partnerships, a good business model. They want to tokenize trillions of dollars of assets, bonds. They want to be a blockchain bank. I like Monty. He's so proactive on Twitter. Like, they want to tokenize real world assets. Okay, that's where LCX lies. The exchange is not the best, not the most intuitive, but their clients are more enterprise focused, which they can just hire somebody to figure out the exchange for them, right? And LCX also has a 950 million coin cap. It's a micro cap. I think it went up to like 50 million now, which is still micro, but it was like a 30 million market cap before this run up. To get to $1 is less than $1 billion market cap. I said I see it getting to $1 to $2 this bull cycle. Why, you may ask? Because last bull cycle, many exchange cryptos went to multi-billion-dollar market caps or high million market caps, okay? They're legit businesses. Some, do falter, like FTX and Celsius, but LCX has a legit business model. They're regulated. They're compliant. They had this advertised on their website. Monty himself talks about it in his AMAs. And that's something to talk about too, right? Monty is actually a doxed person behind LCX who talks about LCX quite a lot, especially on Twitter. I definitely recommend you guys follow him if you're looking into LCX or you hold LCX, because he does release a lot of news there and get back to a lot of the members. But that being said, I posted on Twitter today of how patience pays you more than finding the perfect asset in this space. I know it sounds counterintuitive to say it, but hear me out, right? You can have the best crypto ever, but if you fall for something that makes you sell it soon, or you lack the conviction, you see a consolidated pattern and you sell, you just lost a opportunity to make a lot of money versus a crypto that maybe is not perfect, like LCX. If you weather the storm, you buy it and you hold it, not trade it. Hold it, and you see rewards like this. You see gains like this, 100% gains in 24 hours. Okay? I have seen the flood before. I've seen it with many cryptos. Bluezell is another one. A lot of people said, oh, it's 4 or 5 cents. It's been down here for about a year. It ain't going anywhere. It didn't reach a new all-time high, blah, 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 blah. And it's at 27 cents today. Okay? It over 7x'd despite those claims. LCX, 2x today. Can it go back down? Maybe. Will it go back down? Probably. But this is why I tell you guys, your conviction matters most. It's not what I think or someone else thinks. Because if someone can shake you from your position on words alone, that's on you. That failed conviction's on you. Okay? They're going to see different opinions in this market. It doesn't mean everybody's right. What matters most is your conviction through proper research. I've been bullish on LCX at 4 cents. But I'll tell you guys this, a lot of people become bullish on cryptos after they pump, and then they become bearish when they dip. A lot of people wonder or ask questions, how can you buy the bottoms in crypto? This is how you do it. It's when you buy at these big discounts when everybody else is trying to shake you out for 1 or 2 is saying it's going to 0. I've been buying LCX all the way down below 3 cents. Okay, I've been buying when the majority of people were saying the exchange is illiquid, they're going to 0, Monty's shady, all these different, points, whatever. And I just maintain my conviction like a robot. And I've been DCing as well. I posted on my bio alerts on Discord. Okay, I had conviction, rock solid conviction with my own research, which is why I've been buying and holding LCX for a number of years. If they become a blockchain bank, you're not going to see this crypto become a 50 million market cap. You're going to see it become a multi-billion-dollar market cap. And again, $2 is less than a 2 billion market cap, which is very doable. They want to change the game for the DeFi space. Monty said it. Now, whether they accomplish this is a whole nother story, but nonetheless, you want to see your companies be proactive, right? And also, LCX's marketplace is pretty decentralized. They have over 80% in circulating supply, and despite having less than 20K holders last I checked, it's probably up now because the trading volume went from the thousands to the millions. Despite the low number of holders, they're actually pretty spread in the top 100, top 1,000 wallets. And before you ask, John, are you surprised by this pump? No, I'm really not. I've been saying CZ was shady for a long time now. He's not prone to, run away from manipulation. He obviously wanted to take over every exchange and monopolize. He was pointing fingers at Coinbase, pointing fingers at crypto.com. He was putting crypto companies in the innovation zone, then coming out with his own companies. I'm not saying he's, not a good guy. I'm just saying he's had a resume in the past where he's made some questionable moves or accusations, right? So now Binance went from like this monopoly type exchange and now is going down a little bit with the FUD, and LCX is taking some of this market share. That's what we're seeing happen. So obviously this pump, will it be sustained? Probably not. But nonetheless, they are gaining some new users to the exchange and more liquidity, which obviously helps the token in specific. But I'm also not surprised because earlier this year in January, LCX went from 3-4 cents to 16 cents in less than a month. It did it actually in about a week. So for LCX to go from 4 cents, yesterday to over 8 cents today, I'm not surprised. Microcaps are very volatile. They can flip the switch very quick. That also means they can crash just as quick. So keep that in mind. It's not always just green, 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 green. But the last bull cycle, LCX reached 68 cents. Okay? It can definitely reach $1 minimum. I actually think $2 in the cards for this cycle, which is why I still think it's a great DCAing opportunity at this price. However, if you're looking to add it, I would wait for it to come back down. Regardless of whether you look at it today or tomorrow, you always got to zoom out, okay? If you believe LCX is going to be $1, $2 or more in the coming years, then is 6 cents, 5 cents, or 8 cents really a deal breaker for you if it's going to be in the high dollars someday? Just make sure whatever you do, if you invest into LCX, you actually have the conviction. Because if you join my Discord and you see the price drop and I see your comment, John, the price is dropping, what should I do? Should I sell? I'm literally going to tell you, do whatever you want to do. Because I'm tired of people just buying cryptos on pumps and then just questioning everything when it dips. Okay, you want to reframe your mindset and buy the red so you can sell on the green. This is what I mean, guys. Buy low, sell high. Buying LCX low was 3 cents. Buying high is 50 plus cents. Okay, don't be another sheep investor making the wrong moves and jumping in on emotion. You don't want to chase pumps, yes, but you also don't want to miss out based on unfounded FUD or just different opinions. Now, where does LCX stand with other exchange cryptos like I know Crow's popular, Uniswap, KuCoin? I think it's going to do very well, guys. Again, their client base is different. They're okay with drawing retail users in, obviously, they want the liquidity, but their clients are enterprise clients. Being connected to the World Economic Forum is with some big players. Also, they're rumored to be working with different banks, JP Morgan and Chase to name one. So they're going to be working with private blockchains and also becoming potentially a blockchain bank. If they take any market share of this DeFi space for crypto, you're going to see LCX balloon up. A lot of these different exchange cryptos are just that, exchange cryptos. They're not trying to really change the game for the DeFi space. So LCX, in my opinion, has a little edge, especially when you evaluate the total supply as well and the tokenomics. They have reduced inflation, less than 1 billion total supply, good connections, good partnerships, and have a very proactive leader who is serious about growing his company. By the way, if you want to reach out to me, talk to me, see your crypto I'm buying, selling, trading, run your portfolio by me, I am ending that for my current tier on Monday, November 27th. I will be opening up a new tier, Megalodon, where I will continue to do these portfolio reviews if you guys wish to do them heading into 2024. Or you want to be part of a support group where I do virtual voice chat hangouts where you can get coaching from me, feedback, or be part of live streams, which I will be doing for Discord as well starting in January 2024. Then feel free to join the Patreon and Discord. I'll leave a link in the pinned comments down below. It would be awesome to see you there. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. Are you bullish on LCX? And if so, where do you see its price by the end of this bull cycle? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.